Time allows wood to accumulate strength. Craftsmanship breathes soul into space. At TaoRong, through professional design and precision manufacturing, we endow every commercial space with unique order and style. Crafted with soul, defined by global quality. Design focused on custom space solutions. Excellence in space begins with design. As a manufacturer and solution provider, deeply rooted in hotel and commercial furniture customization, TaoRong understands the aesthetic needs of commercial furniture across different nations. We blend Eastern industrial delicacy with Western minimalist tension, upholding the belief that design knows no bounds. Craftsmanship is eternal. We integrate design thinking and bespoke concepts into product structure, function, and experience.
For us, craftsmanship is not about slowness, it's about authenticity, precision, consistency, and trust.
From the grandeur of hotel lobbies to the comforting details of guest rooms, from the quiet elegance of high-end restaurants to the vibrant allure of bars and clubs, every detail represents a precise grasp of comfort and quality. We make furniture more than just form. It becomes the language of space and brand. Manufacturing, the faith in quality. Quality manufacturing is the root and soul of TaoRong. From selecting premium solid wood in Europe and the Americas, to importing eco-friendly, high-quality leather from Italy, TaoRong has established a global supply chain system. We strictly implement international environmental standards throughout the entire process, including F for stars, Japan JIS or JAS, CARB Phase II, Americas, and E0, Europe and Middle East. Comprehensive quality control across the entire process. Our quality inspection system covers material selection, cutting, edge banding, assembly, and packaging, guarding the foundation of quality with rigorous criteria. Here, traditional craftsmanship walks hand in hand with intelligent technology. Century-old mortise and tenon structures combine with modern advanced equipment, allowing precision and art to coexist in every product. Every cut, every polish, every assembly undergoes strict testing to ensure reliability and consistency in project delivery. We believe true quality lies in details that stand the test of time. TaoRong's factory strictly adheres to environmental, fire safety, and security standards, having passed multiple environmental assessments and compliance certifications. We guarantee the safety of every project and our employees through sustainable production methods. Furthermore, we provide ODM and OEM customization services, utilizing a flexible manufacturing system to meet the diverse needs of different markets and projects. Service, global delivery power.
TaoRong was established with one humble goal: to save our clients time and worry. We are committed to guaranteeing on time, reliable delivery for every project, and ensuring that the quality of every furniture piece aligns perfectly with our clients' expectations.
From initial design requirements to manufacturing execution and on-site installation, TaoRong provides customers with an integrated customization solution. We precisely match the differentiated needs of commercial spaces in different countries, with primary markets including Japan, the USA, the UK, Norway, Jordan, the UAE, and Saudi Arabia. Our global layout interprets the boundless transmission of quality. No matter where a project is located in the world, our team operates with efficient collaboration and precise execution as our service philosophy, ensuring every link from blueprint to completion is accurately controlled. Because we know that trust stems from adhering to every single detail. TaoRong is not just a manufacturer. We are a trusted, high-quality partner for spatial solutions.